quietly protective of my heart to reach.
Guys, we are going to Chicago with Taro.
So patient, you'd be easy to.
Hello guys, it's 5 a.m. and we are going to take some AMRA because we are going to drive and we want all that energy. I ran out, almost finished. So now we're singing. I've been too self-involved, been protective of my feelings, but somehow you made me fall. You got underneath the surface and you shattered every wall. And I know I got that feeling, there's no question anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours. Thank you. Here with Boba. We are going to try our iced tea. Iced tea ba ni? Boba milk tea with boba on it and wine gonna ube. No?
It's really good.
Really good?
It's like, yeah, see?
Ala ka lami ba eh?
It's really ube taro.
Oh, I did not regret this. I think I like mine too.
Yeah, can I try?
Matcha mango.
Yeah.